All right, so I just got back from that 318 ad, and apparently he had a bunch of stuff on the shelf he was trying to get rid of, and that includes there's a 318. This harness right here, this is out of a 2005 Dodge Ram. Everything that plugs in to this harness comes with it, except for the Hemi engine. Even the airbag, everything. And I haven't even looked at the heads. The heads, I didn't put in the truck. I didn't even look at them. I just said, how much for everything, okay? And unfortunately, the headers were already gone before I got there. But he said 150 bucks for everything. So I think it's a decent deal.